hot one today, Bosalinos. I think I keep starting every video with that, but dude, whew, wow. It doesn't help that I look like a freaking solar panel. They should hook me to batteries so I can charge them on my way home. We're still dealing with audio issues too, man. I'm gonna replace this mic. You know, the other mic shorted out, started making the camera lock up, so I ordered a new mic. This one crackles. Mainly when I'm going fast and I try to talk, it starts popping and clicking. It sounds like garbage, so we're gonna replace it again. I got another one that showed up yesterday. Badass, dude. It's a Chevy. It's a what? Impala? But them taillights are badass, huh? They don't do nothing cool like that no more. That thing's bad, bro. I like how you got it slammed too. That's one thing about living in a big city, is sometimes you get to see stuff like that. Like, oh, badass. Sure why. I have no idea why. But it was my guy. I don't want to call him my buddy. You know, he's a nice guy though. I imagine if we met on the street as normal people, we could be friends. Very friendly. Just the perfect example of a police officer, this guy is. He gets it, bro. But he's like, look, dude. He's like, you're not recording this, are you? I was like, no, dude. He's like, I'm not either. He just, like, just a heads up, bro. Like, you're gonna freaking get in trouble. He's like, you gotta upset the constable for all that. I don't know if the constable saw the video. They must have saw the video. And, I don't know, maybe they figured it out. Maybe somebody called the constable and reported me to them. Probably so, that's my guess. So here's what he said. He said all these agencies, Allen, Richardson, McKinney, and the constables have all reached out to him, and they want to know who I am and what I'm doing. But I mean, technically, bro, I'm not doing anything wrong other than speeding and splitting lanes. But and I said that, I was like, dude, what am I really doing? I'm not hurting nobody. I'm not doing nothing but going fast and splitting lanes. And he was like, yeah, but that's reckless driving, and that's a misdemeanor, and they can write a warrant for it. And he said he kind of taught the constable how to do it. You know, that guy who stopped me, he was like a boss man. You know, he was like a head dude, a colonel or something. And I was thinking, dang, bro. Like, dang, I got stopped by like a head guy. Surprised he went easy on me. I remember thinking that. I'm trying to keep it a little bit slower, because I know if I go any faster, the bike's gonna start crackling. But I don't know what to do, man. He's like, dude, you gotta chill. I'm like, what do you mean chill? The only videos that I made lately are group ride videos, the car show video. You know, I mean, there's a couple clips that I put out, but I kind of stopped putting out clips. I just save them for a compilation. Because I know a lot less people are going to see them. So it draws less heat, which I know is not what I want. But, you know, I don't know, dude. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, y'all. I mean, I gotta keep making videos. I don't want to stop. But you know, the viewership's down. The cops are after us again. It's people reporting us. He said it's people calling on the internet, calling these different agencies. They're all reaching out to him. So it's internet people causing this. Because what am I doing? And look, he watches these channels, and I wasn't trying to like call anybody out. But I was like, what am I doing that's any worse than what Jigsaw Bros doing? Like, he's doing 180, bro, when he splits lanes. Look at him doing like 90, 100. You know, I'm not going that fast. Some people will watch my shit and think it's boring. At least That's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe it's just fucking boring. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know, bro. So what do we do, y'all? Blur the speedometer. Definitely do that. You have to start blurring the speedometer all the time. Unless we're in Dallas, maybe? I don't know. Constables. All this shit, though, they gonna be mad about this. And I can't say that wrong. I don't know. How you get through traffic. I don't like Suburbans and Tahoes, bro. I don't trust Suburbans and I don't trust Tahoes. Dude, make up your mind. Alright, boss, I mean, as we come to the end of this journey, not of the channel, I don't think, but the ride home at least. Oh, what's behind us? Is that a cop? No. There's a cop behind us. Anytime I see somebody keeping up with us, I'm like, uh-oh, is that a cop? I mean, I can slow down. Even if I slow down, I'm not going to stop splitting lanes. You might as well give up having a motorcycle. That actually makes riding a motorcycle worse than a car, because then you're just sitting in the sun everywhere you go. You know what I mean? Alright, Bossalinas. I won't sit y'all through this light. Let's stop right here. See, look, officers. We're doing the right thing. Alright, Bossalinas, I love you guys. Thanks for riding home with me. I hope the audio was good. I tried to control it a little bit. But I know if I go fast and talk loud, done. This thing's still recording? Yep. Oh, it's hot. Bro, the sun is cooking your boy.